Hello and welcome back. I am Adria and today we will learn the advanced variation of Setu Bandhasana, that is bridge pose. Lie on your back straight on your mat. Bend your knees one by one. Keep your feet wide apart, parallel to each other. The basic asana is where you keep your legs close to the buttocks and hold the ankles. We inhale, stretch our core, hold the pose for 10 counts or more. Then we exhale and get back to the initial position. Now keep your legs away from your buttocks like this. Straighten your right leg till 45 degrees and as you inhale, lift your hips and hold your breath. Stay in this position for 10 seconds. Exhale and get back to the initial position. Repeat this for 15 times. Now change and lift your left leg 45-degree angle. Inhale and lift the hips. Stay there holding your breath for 10 seconds or more as you like. Exhale and get back to the initial position. Repeat this for 5 times. If you are new to my channel, you can refer to the basic of Setu Bandhasana linked in the description below, and I would recommend you to practice the basic asana first and move to the advanced asana. It helps you achieve better posture and results, reduces stomach fat, helps in breathing, helps in treating constipation, great for people who are suffering from thyroid, helps in stretching, strengthening the glutes and hip muscles, treating mood swings, depression, heaviness in the head, migraine and anxiety. It increases blood and oxygen flow to your brain through the spine. Strengthens your spine and back, which is helpful in disc bulge and upper and lower back pain, neck pain. Strengthens your reproductive organs, helps in treating menstrual pain, fibroids, PCOS, PCOD, related issues in female and in males. It helps in reducing pain in prostate glands due to enlargement. So keep practicing this asana and I'll see you soon.